Hi everyone, uh, welcome to my channel. Again, we'll proceed with the next topic of system design, and this is very important. You might have heard about it, and uh, you might have thought also related to this. But I want you to explain in very simple term what is horizontal scaling versus vertical scaling. So keep till the end, watch till the end, and then it'll be at the end of the video you'll be able to understand what is vertical scaling and when to use, what is the advantage, and also what is horizontal scaling and when to use, what is the advantage, and all those things. So let's start. So we'll start with the scale up scaling, like nothing but the vertical scaling, where we are saying it's scaling up. So when we are scaling up, so in simple term, it's like increasing the capacity of the single machine. So we have one machine. If there is load, right? So you are increasing the single machine capacity. So when I say single machine capacity in terms of what you are doing, so you are doing adding more CPU, let's say from 4 CPU to 16 CPU, or you are adding more kind of memory to it, like uh, it may be 16 GB RAM to 128 GB RAM, and so that, and you are maybe moving to larger instance. So this is the kind of vertical scaling, where you are adding more power to the single instance or single machines. uh, uh, it's advantage, right? So it's very simple to implement, architecture wise no changes, and it's good for monolithic thing, but there are many disadvantages, like hardware. At certain time you cannot add more hardware, right? So expensive, right? uh, if one machine fails, you're gone, downtime, right? Whereas let's talk about horizontal scaling, where you are saying scaling out. So you are adding more instances, you are not adding the power to the same machine. Instead, if you are adding more instances, you are spinning up more machines, and that will have the individual CPU, RAM, and all those things, right? So in this case, like you can add like 10 EC stars instead of one, or you can add more pods like Kubernetes. So it's highly scalable, fault tolerance, it will not have the single failure, right? But it requires more architectural changes, more overload, load balancing, and all, right? So this is in very basic term what is difference between vertical scaling versus horizontal scaling. So hope you like this video. Please subscribe to this channel. Thank you.